Welcome, guys. This is your mentor, Brandon Novi, Prof. Brandon Novi, and today I want to talk about the difference between trading and gambling. This is a story that has been spoken about by many people that have been having opinions about the forex industry, many people that have said many crazy stuff about the forex industry, and I understand because the industry, like every other industry, gets exploited. Many people have their own opinions about the industry, but the thing that I want to make it clear to you is that this industry exists and it will never die. And there is 12 to 16 trillion, not billion, not million, trillion running in the market daily, not weekly, not every single month, daily. The forex market is one of the largest markets in the world. It's even bigger than the stock market. It's bigger than the stock market. It's bigger than the stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange. It's bigger than crypto as we speak now. So the forex market is the banks and the large institutions exchanging with each other. If you want to buy a car in another country and they don't use your currency, you are exchanging. It's the exchange rate. So it's the whole economy of different countries being exchanged. Economies are affected by multiple stuff, all right? GDP, interest rates, political situation of the country, you know, um, federal governments or the local government or the national government's policies, monetary policies, um, and the geographical, tension that is going on, and all of those things can affect the behavior of the market. All right, like for instance, prices of goods are now rising all over the world because of and because of the war that is between Iran and the United States. All right, you would see the oil prices rocketed up, and all of that stuff. And that's why you would see certain currencies will go up and certain currencies will go down. If they are good economic policies, then you would see people would want to invest more in the dollar. You would see people, the DXY or the dollar index going up because people want to invest more in the United States. But when they see that the United States is not doing favorable policies, they don't want to put their money into the dollar. They will put their money into gold. People will buy more gold because they know over the years gold has been more profitable and gold has helped a lot of people. So what am I trying to say? The difference between gambling and trading is that gamblers are people that want to become millionaires overnight, just like any other business. If you want to start an e-commerce business and you have 100,000 that you inherited and you put all of that into the e-commerce, there's a chance that you might make it and there's a chance you might blow all the money because you decided to do that. Or maybe you are into the car industry, you want to buy cars and sell them. If you did not think of buying 2 cars or 3 cars so that you can fix all of them and see which one you'll be able to resell at a higher price, obviously one will not sell at the price you want to sell, but maybe the other two will sell at a good price and then you make a lot of profit. All right, you see now, that's more logical of a business. Or you taking the 100,000, and buying an expensive car that costs 100,000 and trying to sell 1 car. So that means there is a 50-50 chance. There's a chance that you might make profit, or there's a chance that you just lost all your money. It's the same as trading. So banks, institutions like hedge funds, insurance companies, they are all involved into the forex market. All right, now you have to understand these things because I'm educating you, because many of you have been lied to and many of you have invested money into people, and then when you were disappointed you thought that the forex market is fake. But the forex market is not fake. It was a risk that was involved, and you were not educated, and you probably gave someone that is having a high risk appetite, and when they risked all of your money they lost. All right. But if you would have known how the market works and all of these things that are involved, inflation, deflation, interest rates, consumer price index, finding out the unemployment rate, the GDP of the country, political stability or instability, understanding supply and demand, understanding trade imbalance, all of those things, then you would make better decisions when you're approaching the market and trying to be a professional trader. So there are people that are professional traders. It's a career. You can go to university and learn, or you can learn the street way of trading, whatever way you learn. As long as you have discipline and you find a mentor, you have to find a mentor for you to be a good trader. Gamblers are people that basically enter in the market and they want to become rich overnight. And as history has proven, it is very rare that gambling takes you far. There are people that win the lottery, there are people that win sometimes, but the probabilities are very low. The chances are low. But trading, in a sense of building wealth and creating generational wealth, is different from gambling. You can try to gamble with any business, not only Forex. So the idea that you thought that trading is gambling, it says a lot about you. Either you are broke or you are broke. That's why you think trading is gambling. Or you were probably broke. What if you are still broke? Think about it. God bless you.